Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed money urgently, but it seemed like the transfer was taking forever? Maybe you were waiting for a salary, a refund, or a gift from a loved one. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of Newton e-transfers and answer the burning question, how long does it actually take? Context. Newton is a popular online platform that allows you to send and receive money quickly and easily. It's a convenient option for many people, especially those who need to transfer funds across borders or to individuals who don't have traditional bank accounts. But how long does it take for those funds to reach their destination? We'll explore various factors that can influence the transfer time, such as the type of transfer you're making, the countries involved, and any additional security measures in place. Main content. Types of transfers. Domestic transfers. When sending money within Nigeria, Newton e-transfers are typically processed very quickly. In most cases, funds will be available to the recipient within a few minutes or hours. International transfers. If you're sending money to another country, the transfer time can vary depending on several factors, including the destination country's banking system, currency exchange rates, and any regulatory requirements. Factors affecting transfer time. Verification process. Newton may need to verify your identity or the recipient's identity to ensure the transaction is secure. This can add a few minutes or hours to the transfer time. Currency exchange. If you're transferring money between different currencies, the exchange process can take some time. Bank holidays and weekends. Transfers may be delayed during bank holidays or weekends in either the sending or receiving country. Security measures. Newton has strict security measures in place to protect your funds. This can sometimes lead to slight delays while the platform verifies the transaction and ensures it's not fraudulent. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. A Nigerian student studying in the UK needs to send money to their parents back home. How long will it take for the funds to reach their parents' account? Case Study 2. A business owner in Nigeria needs to make an urgent payment to a supplier in the United States. What factors will affect the transfer time? Tips for faster transfers. Provide accurate information. Ensure that all the details you provide, such as the recipient's name, account number, and address, are correct to avoid delays. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete any identity verification steps as quickly as possible. Avoid peak times. Try to avoid making transfers during peak times, such as the end of the month or during holidays. Choose the right transfer option. Newton may offer different transfer options with varying speeds and fees. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Conclusion. While Newton strives to provide fast and reliable e-transfers, the exact transfer time can vary depending on several factors. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can optimize your transfer experience and ensure your funds reach their destination as quickly as possible. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.